Hey, this is Jordan for Rapido Trains Inc. and this week we're doing an unboxing of our all-new Canadian National HO scale GP9rms in both the road units and mother slug sets. These models have just landed in the warehouse and will be shipping out very soon. First off, as you can see, I already have the Sergeant Striped road unit unpacked here. This unit represents the road units, which can be seen in service across Canada and many parts of the US as well. CN uses them in local service, on branch light operations, in yards, and various other light duties. The road units in particular have ditch lights on the front end. You've got the full class lights. You've got the really cool rebuilt fuel tank there, that angled fuel tank. There's the trucks with all of the traction motor detailing, full wiring detail underneath and everything. Very cool. So we have these in the 4100 series CN striped numbers. We also have them in the 7000 series with the CN noodle on the long hood and no stripes, of course. So let's quick look at the road units. Let's unbox the mother slug set. We've got the sleeve, plastic sleeve that goes around there. Keep it from getting scuffed up. Take the box top off, and there you can see the manual, either English or French. I'll take the top off there, foam. We do have an optional parts package which includes alternate snow plows, the round rock pilot. You get the class flags, either the green section flags or the extra flags in here, long shank couplers, all-weather cab windows, and a bunch of other cool little detail parts you can use to customize your GP9rm. So let's take it out of the sleeve next. We've got the mother. Slide that out of the sleeve. Carefully take that off. We've got all the foam bits in between the railings to keep them safe. Now, of course, these are our famous all-metal handrails with the plastic stanchions. Keep those nice and safe from getting bent inwards. There we go. And next, we will get the slug. Are. Alright, we'll just move this out of the way and then we will have a closer look. This particular set is the later version, which includes the belt pack lighting systems and has the flexi-coil truck equipped slug. We've also done the earlier versions, which did not include the belt pack lighting, but also had slugs equipped with Blomberg trucks, so you can have either version. The earlier versions were kind of early to mid 80s and onwards. The later versions are from the 90s and onwards. Now these units do not come with ditch lights because they didn't get them till a bit later in their service lives. CN started equipping them kind of in the late 90s, early 2000s. Some of the units didn't actually receive ditch lights until much later, as late as 2010 in some cases. We may do those in a future run, but we will see. You can see many of the unique details between the two units. First off, you have either the snow plows on the road units or you have the footboards on the yard service mothers. The mothers also include all of the electrical equipment to connect to a slug, either on the front or on the back. Flip it around there. And there you can see on the slug unit there's all those connections as well. These actually have different cab interiors depending on the road number, so there's different orientations, either long hood forward or short hood forward cab orientations. Again, you've got the ditch lights with the full anti-climber on the road units. You don't have that on this run of the mother slug sets. CN removed the dynamics on all of their GP9rms, so the blister is actually still there. Then you've got the filter packs inside, but the dynamics themselves have been deactivated and removed. You've got the spark arresters. You have the horn mounted just ahead of the dynamics, or what was the dynamics. You've got the Sinclair antennas, separately applied windshield wipers, separately applied metal grab irons. Again, these are our metal handrails all along the sides there with the plastic stanchions. This has our Rapido McDonald Cartier semi-scale couplers. I think that's what we're calling them these days anyway. Full fan detail and everything. These are really nice units and a must-have if you're a CN modeler from pretty much any time from the 80s until now. So next, let's go and have a look at some of these sound and light features on our CN GP9rms. Now, we're not going to film today on our 2 and somewhat foot layout here because, just too small. But we're going to head over to the warranty department because they have somewhat of a test track there. And Maybe one day we'll actually have our new display layout up and running. One can dream. First off, we've got the headlight. I believe that's on. Now it's off. Now it's back on again. We already have the number boards activated. We've got the horn, which is K3LA. The sound file also includes other horn sounds should you wish to change it. We also have the bell. Next, let's turn it over. Function 8. And let's activate the belt pack strobes. And let's head out. You'll also notice that we've included sounds on the Slug as the traction motors wind up as the engine accelerates. And the big screw, of course. So that's a look at our CN GP9rm mother slug. Something's not going right here. Jason, can you come and have a look at this, please?
Sure, yeah.
Here.
That's weird, blue light.
There, take that.
No, I don't think we need it. I gotta get under there. All right, hang on. Take a look under here. There you go.
Holy sh**!
Guys, I totally found the Stormtrooper costume in Jason's office. It's amazing. Like, we need to put this in a video. Now that's a great costume too. We need to use that.
Is that you, Daddy? What happened this time? Last time I'm doing this. Come on, let's get you out of this thing.
gonna take